Welcome to the future of programming, or at least what some are calling the vibe coding apocalypse. In March 2025, the programming world went mad with a phenomenon known as the vibe coding mind viverse. Coding by XOP wizard Andre. Vibe coding is all about fully giving into the vibes, embracing exponentials, and forgetting that the code even exists. Sounds wild, right? But stick around because today we're diving deep into this trend, exploring when it works, when it fails spectacularly, and how you can harness its power responsibly. So, what exactly is vibe coding? At its core, it's a philosophy where developers lean heavily on intuition, creativity, and, let's be honest, a little bit of chaos. It's less about meticulously planning every line of code and more about letting the vibes guide your workflow. Think of it as coding without overthinking, trusting the process, and riding the wave of inspiration. And if you're wondering why this matters now, look no further than Peter Levels, the apex indie hacker who recently vibe coded a real-time flight simulator. He didn't stop there, he monetized it with in-game ads and made bank thanks to his massive Twitter following. Love him or hate him, you've got to respect the hustle. But here's the catch. Not everyone vibes responsibly. Take this poor soul who vibe coded a SaaS product, landed paying customers, and seemed destined for indie hacker glory. That was until trolls hacked it to pieces, exposing vulnerabilities like maxed out API usage and subscription bypasses. The app was taken down permanently, leaving our hero begging for their old job back at Popeyes. The lesson: vibing alone won't cut it. If you don't truly understand the code you're writing, or rather, vibing, you're setting yourself up for failure. As one CEO put it, in just 12 months, virtually all code will be written by AI. Scary thought, but don't panic. We'll show you how to vibe smart. To vibe properly, you need the right tools and techniques. Let's break it down into 3 golden rules. First, pick a tech stack that's tried and true. React, Express, Tailwind, Redis, and Deno are solid choices for web dev, because large language models thrive on solving problems they've seen before on platforms like GitHub and Stack Overflow. So while experimenting with fancy new frameworks might sound cool, sticking to the classics keeps your vibe strong. Second, get good at Git. When AI takes control of your code, mistakes happen. Entire files can vanish in an instant. But if you're disciplined with version control, you'll always have a safety net. Tools like Cloud Code can even vibe commit changes for you, but mastering it by hand is a skill worth investing in. Finally, remember this: you're not just a coder anymore, you're a product manager. Break down complex requirements into small, specific steps. Provide proper context, documentation, and visuals for UI design. This ensures your AI stays deterministic and avoids getting too creative. Trust me, you don't want your LLM improvising mission-critical algorithms. The Levels flight simulator, for example, had plenty of issues despite its viral success. Without years of foundational knowledge behind it, the project likely would have crumbled. So yes, embrace the vibes, but never abandon the fundamentals. Now that you know how to vibe code like a pro, let's talk about another essential skill: communication. Whether you're writing pull request descriptions, replying to Slack threads, or crafting emails, clarity is key. Vibe coding may seem chaotic, but it's also full of potential. By balancing intuition with discipline and leveraging the right tools, you can create incredible things. Just remember, vibes are powerful, but they're not infallible. Stay sharp, stay curious, and most importantly, keep coding. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you in the next one.